Doesn't seem like we're gonna get very lucky on finding a hitch today. We're just gonna drive through the strip of Las Vegas and then probably head over to Red Rock and probably just order the hitch online and hopefully it gets here before we head off this next weekend. Well, so far it's mostly homeless people. Look out that number. Certainly a lot of different strip joints. Oh, I'll cut it out. Get married over there. Little white chapel.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can take this footage out of Vegas though. Can we? We're driving right by a truck with a car sticking out of it right now. And then there's a lot of flash stands. I know we're not going to stop and walk around Vegas.
We found Lady Liberty, Excalibur.
Pretty crazy. I think we pretty much went through the strip.
Yeah. So now we're going to Red Rock Canyon, which is somewhere that way.
Probably by the Red Rocks.
Yeah. That's
Still need to find my card. Red Rock Canyon. So everyone today is heading to Red Rock Canyon. It's a very busy day, but today we're going to hopefully just take the scenic road around. If we can find a short hike with an empty parking lot, we'll take it. Otherwise, we're probably not going to be able to because we got here after lunch. And as you can see, it's busy. All right, guys, 13 miles of scenic view. I have no idea what this trailhead is, but it appears as though this place is dog friendly, as Blaze is demonstrating over there. So we're gonna go hike down there and check it out a little bit. Probably won't go too far. So we're here and we're gonna go somewhere up there. Sound good?
Sounds good.
All right. This is a very popular attraction here today. Looks like you can climb on all these little boulders. Little boulders. Yeah, it looks like you can kind of just make your own trails all around these rocks. Just beware when you're coming down to these trails. You gotta go back up. Blaze seemed to like it.
Yeah.
Happy pup. Check that out though. It's gonna be a pretty sweet 13-mile drive.
Yeah.
So this is the Sandstone Quarry. I think scenic, do we go left then?
Left to keep going or right to the parking area.
All right, we'll just keep going left, I think. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Looks pretty packed.
Yeah.
High Point Overlook, that's what I was trying to say. I think this is about 1,000 feet higher than the beginning of the park. Looks like we're going down from here. We came up that direction and then we kind of sweep back around through there. There might be some more trails and stuff along the side, but I doubt we'll be able to actually hit those up today. We'll see. Might get out of the car at a couple more spots and check it out. So where are we at, Deanna? I don't know where we're at.
I don't actually. Oh, it's right here.
Petroglyph Wall. Okay. So that's where we want to be,
Yeah.
right? Then you got to climb the wall. No. I feel like we always have to go see the petroglyphs whenever we go to some place.
Picked a short trail.
And it's a short trail, so double bonus. Blaze seems to be enjoying it though, leading the way. Absolutely beautiful area. So this is the Petroglyph Wall. Oh, there they are, over there. Looks like they're mostly over here. Pretty neat stuff, huh? We picked a perfectly cool day around Vegas, so it's only like highs in upper 60s, which is pretty cool for this area. Still nice shorts and short sleeve weather. Kind of rocky. Blaze doesn't like the trail as much, but he made it back there. So we just met some fellow, well, they're van lifers rather than RVers. and I am horrible with names. I caught Megan, but dude, I'm sorry, I already forgot your name. I apologize. But they've been living on the road. Well, he had been living on the road for 4 years. I don't know if Megan said how long she had been on the road.
I don't think so.
Pretty cool just randomly bumping into people like that.
Yeah.
Like-minded folks on the road. And this here is Pine Creek Canyon. Because there's pine trees. There must be a creek. I think this is the last overlook. Is that true?
I think so.
So there you have it, last overlook. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this awkward video of hitch footage, Vegas Strip, Red Rock Canyon. You say Hard Rock Cafe?
No, I said Red Rock.
Red Rock? Oh, Hard Rock. Didn't go to Hard Rock. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DnSAdventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on.